Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Conversation podcast. I'm Joe.
Hi, everyone. I'm Anna. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Today's topic is very important for English learners. It is about motivation and about finishing what you start.
Many learners feel excited at the beginning. They study for a few days. They feel good. Then one day, they feel tired, and they stop.
This happens to many people, not only in English, in work, in exercise, in daily life.
You may feel tired after work. Your brain feels slow. Your energy feels low, and English feels difficult.
But tired does not mean finished. That difference is very important.
Yes, feeling tired is normal. Stopping before you finish is the real problem.
When learners stop too early, they feel disappointed later. They think, I didn't do enough today.
But when learners finish a small goal, even when they feel tired, they feel proud, they feel calm, they feel confident.
This episode is about that feeling, the feeling of finishing, not perfection, just completion.
Before we continue, we want to say thank you for being here.
If this podcast helps you, please support our channel. Tap the like button and subscribe for more English conversations.
Your support helps us reach more learners, and it helps this community grow.
In this episode, we will talk about simple ideas, easy habits, real situations from daily life.
Everything will be explained in clear, simple English, so you can listen comfortably and learn naturally.
If you sometimes feel tired and want to stop learning English, this conversation is for you.
Stay with us. By the end, you will see motivation in a new way.
Many people stop learning English because they feel tired.
Tired is a feeling. It comes and goes.
After work, after study, after a long day, tired feels normal.
Your eyes feel heavy, your mind feels slow, you want rest.
But tired does not mean finished.
Finished means the task is complete, nothing is left to do.
This difference is small but very powerful.
Many learners stop when they feel tired, not when they are finished.
For example, you plan to study English for 10 minutes.
After 5 minutes, your brain says, "This is enough."
You feel tired, you close the book, you stop early.
Later that day, you remember it, and you feel unhappy.
Because the goal was not finished.
Now, think about a different situation.
You feel tired again, but you study 5 more minutes.
10 minutes are complete. The goal is done.
Your body is still tired.
But your mind feels good.
You think, I finished what I planned.
That feeling builds confidence.
Confidence makes learning easier.
This is why finishing matters more than stopping early.
English does not need long hours.
It needs small goals that you complete.
Reading 1 page, writing 3 sentences, listening for 5 minutes.
Small goals are friendly. They do not scare your brain.
When goals feel big, your brain wants to escape.
When goals feel small, your brain stays calm.
This idea works everywhere, not only in English.
Work, exercise, daily habits.
Finish first, rest after.
That order changes everything.
When people feel tired, the real problem is often the goal.
Big goals feel heavy. They scare the brain.
Study English for 2 hours. Sounds difficult.
Your mind hears pressure, not progress.
So motivation disappears.
This is why small goals matter.
Small goals feel safe. They feel possible.
5 minutes of study, 3 new words, 1 short paragraph.
Your brain thinks, I can do this.
That thought creates movement.
You start without stress.
Starting is the hardest step.
After you start, the work feels lighter,
Energy grows during action.
not before action.
This surprises many learners.
They wait to feel motivated.
But motivation comes after progress.
Small success sends a message.
I finished something.
That message builds trust with yourself.
You begin to believe you can continue.
This belief changes habits.
You return tomorrow without fear.
Small goals also protect focus.
Your mind stays present.
No thinking about long hours.
Only the task in front of you.
This reduces stress.
Stress blocks learning.
Calm allows learning to grow.
This is how progress becomes steady.
Not fast, but consistent.
And consistency always wins.
Motivation is not stable.
It goes up and it goes down.
Some days feel easy.
Other days feel heavy.
This happens to everyone.
Even confident English speakers.
The problem starts in the middle,
You already began.
but energy feels low.
This is where many people stop.
They think something is wrong.
But nothing is wrong.
This moment is normal.
It is part of progress.
The brain wants comfort again.
It remembers the easy option.
Scrolling, sleeping, watching videos.
Comfort feels close.
But stopping here breaks momentum.
Momentum keeps learning alive.
So the key is simple.
Slow down, but continue.
Not fast,
Not perfect.
just present.
One sentence. One thought.
This keeps the habit intact.
Habits matter more than mood.
Mood changes daily.
Habits stay.
Even tired practice counts.
Even quiet effort matters.
This reduces guilt.
And guilt kills motivation.
Progress does not require energy.
It requires direction.
Stay with the direction.
The energy returns later.
Motivation alone is unreliable.
Habits create stability.
When motivation is high, starting feels easy.
When motivation is low, habits carry you.
This is where routine helps.
A fixed time, a fixed place.
The brain learns the pattern.
No decision is needed.
Decisions create resistance.
Habits remove it.
For English practice, small routines work best.
Same notebook, same chair.
Same 5 minutes every day.
This consistency builds confidence.
Confidence reduces fear.
Fear blocks action.
When practice becomes automatic, stress fades.
The brain feels safe.
Safety allows learning.
Learning becomes natural.
Another powerful habit is tracking progress.
Not perfectly, just honestly.
A small tick on a calendar.
A short note in a notebook.
These signals matter.
They show movement,
Movement creates motivation.
not the other way around.
Missing one day is not failure.
Quitting is.
Return the next day.
That is strength.
Habits do not require excitement.
They require presence.
With time, effort feels lighter.
And progress feels real.
We have talked about motivation, effort, and finishing goals.
Now is a good moment to review some important words.
These words appeared naturally during the conversation.
They are useful for daily English.
The first word is goal.
A goal is something you want to achieve. For example, learning English or finishing a lesson.
The next word is tired.
Tired means you have low energy. Your body or mind needs rest.
Another important word is done.
Done means finished. Nothing is left to do.
We also use the word progress.
Progress means moving forward, getting better step by step.
The word habit came up many times.
A habit is something you do regularly, even when you do not feel motivated.
We talked about reward as well.
A reward is something nice you give yourself after effort.
Another key word is focus.
Focus means giving attention to one thing at a time.
The last word is consistent.
Consistent means doing something again and again without stopping.
All these words connect to one idea.
Finishing what you start.
Motivation is helpful, but it is not required every day.
Small actions matter more than big promises.
If you feel tired, that's okay.
Finish the task first.
Then rest with a clear mind.
That feeling builds confidence.
Confidence makes learning easier.
And English becomes part of your life.
If this conversation helped you,
Please press the like button. It really supports the channel.
you can also subscribe for more simple English conversations.
New episodes are added regularly.
We would also love to hear from you.
Write in the comments, what goal are you working on right now?
Thank you for listening until the end.
Keep going. You are doing better than you think.